Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the American Express Gold Card benefits in the UK. This card is a popular choice for those seeking rewards and premium perks. We'll explore how you can earn valuable membership rewards points on your everyday spending, and discuss the various ways to redeem them for maximum value. We'll also cover the annual fee and any current introductory offers, helping you decide if this card fits your financial goals. Earning points with the Amex Gold Card is straightforward. You'll typically earn one membership reward point for every £1 you spend on eligible purchases. For specific categories like airline tickets or foreign currency transactions, you can often earn 2 points per £1. These versatile points can be transferred to a wide array of airline and hotel loyalty programs, offering excellent value for travel. Beyond earning points, the Amex Gold Card provides excellent travel and dining perks. You'll receive 2 complimentary airport lounge visits each year, perfect for relaxing before a flight. Cardholders also enjoy up to £120 in dining credits annually, redeemable at a curated selection of restaurants. Plus, when you book your trips using the card, you can benefit from comprehensive travel insurance coverage. The American Express Gold Card does come with an annual fee, though it's often waived for the first 12 months, giving you time to experience its benefits. To be eligible, applicants generally need a good credit history and a minimum annual income. It's always wise to check the latest terms and conditions before applying. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.